Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are formed by hydrogen and carbon elements. So, number of examples have there: ethane, methane, ethylene, acetylene. So, these are all one of the best examples of hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons is classified into two types. Number one, saturated hydrocarbons. Number two, unsaturated hydrocarbons. So overall, saturated hydrocarbons means single bond compounds like a alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons means multiple bond compounds like a double bond and triple bond compounds. Example: alkenes, alkynes. Okay, so already we know that about alkanes. CnH2n plus 2 formula of compounds is called alkanes. So these compounds contain single bond and alkanes contain ane word, ane word. Okay, alkane, just like methane, ane, ethane, propane, butane, ane, or pentane. Suppose we write the structure of alkanes. Already we know that. Suppose, for example, we have taken heptane. Heptane. So, what is the formula of heptane? C7. So, carbon 1, C1, just like meth. 2 carbons, eth. 3 carbons, prof. 4 carbons, but. 5 carbons, pent. 6 carbons, hex. 7 carbons, hept. 8 carbons, oct. Okay, so overall hept means how many carbons? 7 carbons. Okay, so here n is equal 7. N is equal 7. H2n plus 2, alkane. H2n plus 2. So how much? H16. Okay, 2n plus 2. 2n, 2 into 7, 14 plus 2, 16. So, what is the structure of heptane? Ane. First we write carbons, 7, carbon, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. We write the bond between these carbons like a chain linkage. Okay, like a chain between one carbon to another carbon. Okay, so we have arranged the hydrogens. Already we know that each carbon contains how many bonds? 4 bonds. Okay, listen. Suppose this carbon contains only single bond, but this carbon contains 2 bonds, bond. Okay, 2 bonds. This carbon also 2 bonds, bond. This carbon also 2 bonds, but this carbon contains only single bond. Okay, this carbon only single bond. So this carbon contains only single bond. Remaining required 3 bonds. Because it's like how many bonds total carbon? 4 bonds. Bond. Okay, so fulfill carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. As is second carbon bond. Third carbon also bond. Fourth carbon also bond. Fifth carbon bond. Sixth carbon also as is. So this carbon also carbon how many bonds? Only one remaining. 1, 2, 3. So each carbon contains 4 bonds. Listen. Suppose this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Each carbon contains 4 bonds. So we will arrange the hydrogens. Listen. H, H, H. Next H, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 hydrogens. Okay, total how many hydrogens? 16 hydrogen. Or suppose we write a carbon, it is attached with the 3 hydrogens. That time you write CH3. Okay, CH3 bond, CH2, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Okay, so CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH2 bond, CH3. So it is a structure of alkanes. Okay, or heptane. Suppose we write the structure of C2H6. C2H6 means ethane. C2H6 means ethane. So N word, alkane, ethane. How many carbons? Eth means 2 carbons. Okay, eth means 2 carbons. So that time we write carbon bond carbon. We arrange the hydrogens. Suppose this carbon contains only single bond, it is also contain only single bond. So that time bond, bond, bond. 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the same time 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. Okay. So hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Okay. Carbon bond H, bond H, bond H. Carbon bond H, bond H, bond H. Okay. So it is structure of ethane. Or suppose carbon attached with 3 hydrogens, we write CH3 and bond CH3. CH3 bond CH3. So it is a structure of ethane. Okay, structure of ethane. So it is a overall structure of alkanes. Next further we are discuss about alkenes. So alkanes, alkanes over. Next further alkenes, alkenes. So what is the first point? CnH2n formula of compounds. Okay, CnH2n formula of compounds is called alkenes. Overall, these alkenes must contain double bond. Okay, double bond in any place. Okay, any one place. We write double bond. Okay, next third one. These alkenes contain ene word. Ene. Alkanes, N word. A-N-E. N word. But alkenes, ene word. E-N-E. Okay, that is the E-N-E. Ene word. Okay, so overall alkenes, CnH2n plus 2 formula of compounds is called alkenes. These alkenes contain must double bond and it's contain ene word, E-N-E, ene word. Okay, so in this structure CnH2n we write n is equal to here. Okay, we write N is equal 2. Suppose, so CnH2n, N is equal 1, sorry, N is equal 2, we write C2H4. Okay, C2, N is equal 2, C2H, 2 to the 4, C2H4. So it is a ethene. Okay, ethene or ethylene. Okay, ethene or ethylene. Okay, next suppose C3H6. So 2 carbons eth, 3 carbons profene. Okay, so profene. Or suppose C4H8. So it is butene. Okay, C4, 4 carbons means bute. So butene. Or suppose C5H10. So how many carbons? 5 carbons. We write N is equal 5. That time C5H10. Okay, C5H10. 5 carbons, pent means pentene. Okay, pentene. Next further C6H12. So it is a hexene. How many carbons? 6 carbons. So C6H12, hexene. Next further C7H14. Okay, C7H14. So it is a heptene. Inward, in, alkene, heptene. So ethene, alkene, in, profene, butene. So C5H10, pentene, C6H12, hexene, C7H14, heptene, inward. Okay, so it is a example of alkenes. Okay, so next further structure of alkenes. Okay, suppose first we write ethene. Ethene is also called ethylene. Okay, ethene is also called ethylene. So C2H4 means just like it's contain 2 carbons, carbon bond carbon. Okay, so it must contain double bond. Okay, so double bond. Each carbon contain 4 bonds. So that time we write bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we arrange the hydrogens. Bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. Okay, bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. Okay, so overall CH2 carbon attached with 2 hydrogens. So CH2 double bond carbon attached with 2 hydrogens, CH2. Okay, CH2 double bond CH2. It is ethylene or ethene. Okay, ethylene or ethene. Suppose we write C17H14, heptene. So how many carbons? 7 carbons. First we write carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. Any place we write double bond. Okay, suppose for example this place or this place, middle place or any place. Okay, suppose we write double bond. Okay, so listen, this carbon contain only single bond, remaining 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon contain 2 bonds. 1, 2. Remaining 2 bonds. This carbon contain 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1. This carbon also 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1. So this carbon 1, 2. Remaining 2. This carbon also 1, 2. Remaining 2. This carbon only single bond. So that time bond, bond, bond. 4 bonds. Okay, 4 bonds. So we have arranged the hydrogens. C17H14. 14 hydrogens. Bond H, bond H, bond H. So CH3. Next further bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H, and bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. So we write the another form CH3. CH3. Carbon attached with 3 hydrogens. CH3, bond CH2, bond CH, double bond CH. Okay, CH double bond CH, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH3. Okay, so CH3 bond, CH2 bond, CH double bond CH, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH3. So total 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 hydrogens. Okay, so it is a structure of heptane. Or suppose we write another form C3H6. C3H6 means profene. C3H6 means profene. So first we write carbons, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. So we write the double bond any place, double bond. Or suppose carbon bond, carbon, carbon, double bond, any places. Okay. So this place or this place, any place we write the double bond. So next further we arrange the hydrogens. Bond, bond, bond. So it's contain, this carbon contain 2 bonds, remaining 2. This carbon contain 3 bonds, remaining 1. 1, 2, 3, remaining 1. This carbon bond only 1, so remaining 1, 2, 3. So H, H. Next hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So we write CH2, CH2 double bond, CH bond CH3, CH2 double bond, CH bond CH3. So next suppose this carbon contain only single bond. So we write 1, 2, 3, remaining 3. This carbon triple bond, remaining 1. This carbon double bond, remaining 2. Okay, so that time we write H, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogens. So that time we write CH3 bond, CH double bond, CH2. Okay, it is the structure of alkenes. Okay, next further class we have discussed about the alkynes.